Good morning and Assalamu alaikum student. I am Saima Adhikari teaching in Anjuman Islam Abdul Azim Khatkate English Secondary School Vashi. In our today's lecture we are going to learn 8th standard chapter number 6 composition of matter. In this lecture we are going to discuss second method of classification of matter. The criteria for the classification of matter is the composition of matter, on the basis of which matters are classified into three classes: element, compound and a mixture. So let's start our today's lecture. Okay, we will see what is mean by element, what is mean by mixture and what is mean by compound. Now to classify the element, mixture and a compound, here we will take in a different example. First box will represent the element. Okay, now here our second box is now representing what? Compound, and the third box will be representing mixture. So here we will see an example. Okay, different structure we will see, different structure of a different molecules we will see, and we will see what is the difference in a element, compound and a mixture, and what is mean by element, what is compound and what is a mixture. Now let us see the first example for an element. When we talk about element, here I am taking an example of an element. Okay, let us consider here in a first block we are taking a nitrogen. Okay, so here we have the nitrogen molecule, that is N2. Then we will take an example of a compound. Okay, let's take a very familiar example of a compound, that is H2O. What is H2O? Yes, H2O is nothing but the water. So here we have an example of a water as a compound. Then the next one is a mixture. Okay, let us take an example for a mixture. When we say the mixture, here we can consider, okay, now I'm considering here NO2, that is nitrogen dioxide. Okay, and we have the nitrogen molecule. So this is an example of a mixture. Now if you will see all these three examples for element, compound and a mixture, what is the difference that you see over here? Here in an element, what we have N2 molecule. Here all the elements, all the molecules over here, this is also what? N2, this is also N2, this is also N2, N2, N2. So the molecules over here is what? Same. All the molecules, elements over here is completely same. So that's why this is called as an element. Now come over here in a compound. Here also what we have over here, if you will see, this is what? H2O. What is H2O? Yes, H2O is a water. So we have 1 H2O, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we took an example over here. 4 molecules we consider over here. So here in this, what we have H2O. All the molecules are what? Same. This is also H2O. This is also H2O. This is also H2O. This is also H2O. So why this compound and element are different? Okay, why? If the molecules are same, here also the molecules are same, here also the molecules are same. So why the element and compound is difference? Yes, over here you can see we have what? H2O. Now we have to focus on an atom. Over here, this is what? Water. This is nitrogen. Okay, if we will focus on an atom, here in this, what we have as an atom? Atoms are hydrogen and oxygen. There are two atoms of a hydrogen and one oxygen atom. And here what we have? Do we have the two different atom over here? No. What we have the same type of atom. This is also nitrogen, this is also nitrogen. Here what we have? Here we have water. In water we have two different atoms. Which two different atoms are there? Hydrogen and oxygen is there. So that's why these two are different. Here we have two different atoms in this particular substance molecule, and here we have same type of atom in this molecule. So that's why this molecule will consider under what element, and this molecule will consider under what compound. Here we have the two different atoms combined together, that's why this is called as what? Compound. Okay, here in this, if you will focus over here, what we have, this is also H2O, this H2O, this is also H2O, this is also H2O. So we have the same type of a molecule. Molecule is what? H2O. But when we consider atom in these molecule, atoms are what? Atoms are different. Which two atoms are there? Hydrogen and oxygen. These two atoms are there. And here which two atoms are there? Both are the nitrogen only. So that's why we can consider this as a element, and this one will consider as what? Compound. So this is a compound and this one is a element. Okay, now let's take an example, last example, which is a mixture. Now here if you will see, this is what? This is a mixture. Now in a mixture, if you will see, do we have only one type of a compound or one type of a element? No, we have both. This is what? Is it this element? No, this is not element. What is this then? This is compound. Why this is compound? Because there is one nitrogen and two oxygen. Two different atoms are there, and these two different atoms, they are chemically combined. As they are chemically combined, they form what? Compound. Okay, this is one molecule that we have over here, and the second molecule that we have over here is what? N2, that is nitrogen. Okay, so this molecule and this molecule, both the molecules are what? Both the molecules are different. This is NO2 and this is what? N2. So as there are these two, and these two molecules, they are present here. Okay, so two different molecule, maybe element and compound. There is a mixture of an element of compound, or it can be a mixture of a compound and a compound, or it can be mixture of a compound, element and the other elements also. So this is called as a mixture. Okay, here what we have element also, as well as we have compound also. This is compound, this is element, and here what we have element also, we have compound also. So that's why this is called as a mixture. Here we have the different type of molecules in a mixture. Here the molecules are what? Molecules are same. What is difference? Atoms are different. Here what is different? What is the same? Molecules are also same, as well as atoms are also same. So this is example of a element. This one is the compound and this is a mixture. Let us take a more example to understand it more clearly. Let's take an example over here. Okay, now we will consider the element, compound and a mixture. We will take an example of air, and then we will see that how that air is, whether the air is a mixture, compound or a element. Now here we will take an example, okay, of a air. What is present in a air? Air is a composition of what? In air, what is present? Oxygen is present, then nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other gas. So let us take an example. Oxygen molecules are there, then oxygen is present, then what else is there? Nitrogen is also be present, carbon dioxide is also present. Here we will take these two examples, nitrogen and oxygen we will take. Okay, and we will take one more thing, that is what? Water vapors are also be present, so we will take an water molecules also over here. So here in this particular one, what we have in this particular example, we have the different molecules and a different substances. Okay, first is what? The nitrogen is present, that is N2. What else is present? Oxygen is present, which is O2. And what else is there? Water is also be there. What is water that we consider over here is H2O. Formula for water is H2O. Now in this particular example, suppose, okay, over here, suppose if I will remove from here, suppose if I will remove the water molecules, okay, if I'll remove the water molecule from this, okay, what we left over here with? What we left over here with? We left with the nitrogen and the oxygen. Nitrogen is a one kind of a element, oxygen is the another element. So will it become the element? No, this is not element, because what is the property of an element? What we have studied about element, that in element there is only one kind of a molecule present, one type of a molecules are only present. And here how many types of molecules are there? There are two types of molecules which are present. Which are those two molecules? One is nitrogen and another one is the oxygen. Okay, so this one will not be the molecule element. So what it be? Will it be a compound? Is it a compound? No, this is also not a compound, because what is a condition in a compound? That the molecule should be same. Again, here the molecules are not same. Here what we have the oxygen, one type kind of molecule, and nitrogen, another kind of molecule. So this is also be a mixture. If we will remove the oxygen also from this, what we left it over here? We left with only nitrogen. So as we left with only nitrogen, okay, only the nitrogen molecules are present here. So this one will become what? This one will become element. This is element. Okay, because we have the same type of a molecule here. Okay, instead of removing this oxygen, suppose if I'll remove the nitrogen, what is left over here? What is left here? Oxygen only left. So as oxygen only left, so this is also be what? Element. If suppose we will add here water molecule. Okay, if we are adding here the water molecule, so what is it a element now? No, it will not remain as an element now. So what it will become? Will it become a compound? No, this one will also not become a compound. Why not? Because in compound, what we have this same kind of a molecule, and here we have two types of a molecule. Which two type of molecules are there? One molecule is oxygen molecule and another molecule is which one? Water molecule. So as there are two different, this is what? This is element. Okay, and this one is what? This is compound. So here we have the mixture of element and a compound. What we have here? Mixture of element as well as the compound. So this is a mixture. This whole thing is what? Mixture. If suppose from this mixture, if we will remove the oxygen, okay, as we have removed with the oxygen, what we left with over here is just a water molecule. We have removed the oxygen, so what is left? Water is left. And water is what? Water is a compound. So this one is what? This one is a compound. In compound, the molecules are same, but their atoms which are there, okay, here hydrogen, oxygen and hydrogen. So there are two different atoms which are present here. That's why we call them a compound. Okay, if we consider one more example over here, if we will add suppose a nitric oxide. After adding a nitric oxide over here, will it remain the compound? Will it remain the compound? No, obviously not. Why not? Because along with this water, H2O, we have one more thing. What is that one more thing? We have this NO, that is nitric oxide. So here we have a nitric oxide also. So nitric oxide is also there. And what is a nitric oxide? Is it an element? Will we call the nitric oxide element? No, we cannot call the nitric oxide as an element. Why we cannot call it an element? Because there are two different atoms which are present. That's why this is also be compound. Okay, so what we call to this whole thing? This is also compound. This is also compound. So this is a mixture of a two compound. Here what we have? We have a mixture of two compound. This whole thing will be a mixture. Okay, water is one compound, nitric oxide is one compound, and here in this box, as we have water also as well as the nitric oxide also. So as we have the two different compound in this, so this one will be what? A mixture. This is a mixture. Okay, now if you will remove the water from this, now we have removed what? Water. Okay, so we have to erase the water from here. So if we will remove the water from here, what left over here? Only the nitric oxide left. So will it remain the mixture? No, this one will not remain the mixture. Now it become what? It will become pure compound. So this is about the compound, mixture and a element. Okay, let us see the example, quick example of this element, compound and a mixture. Okay, now here we have the different examples, and we just have to write the molecules which are present in that, and then we have to write whether it is element or whether it is compound. Okay, now in the first one, what we have in the first one? Okay, in the first one, what we have? O2. Okay, the second one, what we have in the first one? That is also O2. So here we have O2 molecule. So will it be an element or a compound? Okay, only O2 we have over here, so that means the atoms are also same. If the atoms are also same, this one will be what? Element. So this is element. Okay, now here we have to take a second example over here. In a second example, what we have? Okay, here we have a molecule of what? Molecule which composed of nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, here we have molecule of nitrogen and oxygen. So do we have a same type of atom over here? No, the atoms are different. So this one will be what? Compound. Okay, so this is compound. Now let us take an example, last one, which is this two. Okay, here what we have? A molecule of nitrogen we have, and the second one what we have? We have a molecule of oxygen. So as we have the molecule of nitrogen and the molecule of oxygen, nitrogen, that is what? N2, oxygen is what? O2. So here we have a two different elements. So what it will be? It will be a mixture. This one will be what? Mixture, because we have two different elements in the, molecules in this. Now let us take an example over here for this. Okay, this example let us take. What we have in this particular box? We have two different molecules over here. Which two different molecules are there? One is water, and another one is what? Another one is nitrogen. Okay, so over here in nitrogen and water, okay, as two different molecules are there. One is water, H2O, and another one is nitrogen. So as this is what? This is compound. This is what? Element. These two are present in a one box. So what it will be? It will be mixture, element or compound. Compound is also be there, element is also be there, and both are separate in this. Okay, so the constituents are different. So this one will be what? Mixture. This is also be mixture. Over here, do we have the same type of a molecule? No, we have three types of molecule. Which three types of molecule we have? First one is what? First one is H2O. Okay, second type of a molecule that we have over here is what? N2. And the third type of a molecule that we have over here is what? O2. Okay, so here we have one molecule H2, another molecule N2, and the third molecule O2. So will it be a compound? Will it be an element or the mixture? Okay, this one will be what? Mixture. Why mixture? Because compound is also be there, element is also be there, element is also be there, and three of them are what? Separate from each other. They are not chemically bonded with each other. So this one will also be a mixture. Then the next we have, the last one over here is what we have here. For if you will see, what is this? NO. NO is what? Nitric oxide. Okay, this is also what? NO. This is also nitric oxide. Okay, then the next what we have over here? NO, nitric oxide. And the last one is also be what? NO. So do we have the different molecule in this? No, we don't have a different molecule. Then what is different? Here we have only NO, that is a nitric oxide. Okay, NO, which is a nitric oxide. So we don't have the different molecule, but what we have the different atom. One is nitrogen and another one is oxygen. So that's why this particular one will be what? Compound.